Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your payment card in the Podpoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the your payment details section, click on the add payment card button. So first you have to provide your card number. For that, of course, you will need your card if you don't know it yet. And then you have to set the expiry date, so the month and the year. And then you have to provide the CVV code, which is at the back of your card. It's a 3-letter number. And if you are done, then just click on the add my card button and your card is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.